khona umaziyo kulaba mangalela abala enkantolo?
Yebo ukhona.
Yes, there is.
Yeah, which one?
Omob lawyer.
Bonta.
It is Bongani Ntanzi.
How do you know him?
Umazi kanjani?
Ngambona ngo-2008.
I started seeing him in 2008.
Where?
Gopi.
Sisengomeni.
We were in a ceremony called Engomeni. Engomeni umgidi man. We were in a ceremony, the Zulu ceremony called Engomeni.
Yes. And what happened after that?
Wenzakalani emva kwalokho?
Ukuthi ngibone
Emva kokuthi ngibone,
ukuthi saphinde sahlangana sajwayelana naye.
we again met and we got used to one another.
Yes.
Kwase
Kushuthi emveni kwalokho ngokuqhubeka kwalokho kwagcina wayeka ukusebenza la esebenza khona kuye wazohlala naye endlini.
now eventually he stopped working where he was working and he came to reside with me at my house.
And where was that?
Kukuphi lapho-ke?
Ela City.
That is in Rustenburg.
Yes.
Okay.
Was it a house or what was the position?
Bekuyindlu okanye indawo enjani ukuhlala le?
Ngihlala endlini yaKwaBhona.
It was a shed. Uthi yenkonkolo?
Enkomponi.
Enkomponi.
Hostel.
A hostel. Oh, sorry, my lord. Sorry, my lord. We were staying in a house, in a hostel.
Yes, you may proceed.
Ungaqhubeka-ke.
When did he start living with you at the hostel?
Because
When did he start to live with you at the hostel?
waqala nini-ke ukuhlala nawe khona lapha ne-hostel?
Ukuhlala hostel siqala ngo-2019.
We started in 2019 to reside at the hostel.
Yes, you may proceed.
Ungaqhubeka.
Shuthi sahlala naye samzamela umsebenzi waze wasebenza.
We stayed together with him there. We waited for him to find work until such time that he eventually got somewhere.
Uthe esasebenza wangathi umsebenzi wakhe uyaphela kancane wasiyashintsha uthola ukuthi asibelwa empahla.
Now, as he was working, it was as though that he was going to be. There was a time when it was as though that he was losing, or the job was ending. Then he decided to go to Impala in Kampala.
Mine, okay.
Yeah, Impala. That is a mine. That's another mine.
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
you may proceed.
Shuthi emveni kwalokho ngithe ngibuye ekhaya kwi-lockdown. Bese ngithola umlayezo ukuthi uboshiwe.
When I came back from home after the lockdown, I then received a message or report that he was incarcerated or arrested.
Just a minute.
I think
Now, when you say he was staying with you, who else was staying with you at that time?
Mawuthi-ke ubehlala nawe, ngubani omunye obehlala nawe ngaleso sikhathi?
Bengihlala naye. Bengihlala nomunye uZondo, Shuzi, nomunye uNdidi, sibongo.
Bekuzondo.
noNdidi.
I was also staying together with Zondo and Mbili. It was a total of 4 of us that were residing together. Zondo and Mbili.
You mentioned that he lost a job and found another job. Did you play a role as far as that is concerned?
Uthi walahlekelwa umsebenzi waphinde wathola omunye umsebenzi. Ngabe wena-ke khona iqhaza walibamba khona lapha ekuteni waphinde athola omunye umsebenzi?
Yebo yimi ngimsiza kakhulu.
Yes, I'm the one that was very instrumental in him finding another job. In fact, I was assisting him a lot.
How did you assist him?
Wamsiza kanjani?
ngangimkhulumela nalaba abakwazi ukusiza umuntu bemfaka emsebenzini.
I was representing him to those that were in the position who can, employ people.
Was he then employed as a result of those efforts that you made?
Wagcina-ke esesebenza ngokuthi-ke kube nothizo okwenzayo ukuthi asebenze.
Yebo injalo.
It is indeed so.
And was there any pastime that you indulged in while staying at the hostel?
Ngabe kukhona-ke isikhathi nje sokuthi mhlawumbe nonke ngenkathi nisahlala khona laphana e-hostel
Besihlala sonke.
nje isikhathi nje ninonke.
Besihlala nje sonke sindawonye.
We would spend time together in the same place.
Yes, but over the weekends, how did you pass time? Over the
Kusho ukuthi-ke ngama-weekend kanjalo benbanonke-ke nangama-weekend.
Amanye ama-weekend bebehambe eGoli hlala ngo-Port.
Some of the weekends we would go to Joburg or Gauteng, and then myself over the weekend I will remain in the hostel.
Yes, to do what in Joburg?
Obezokwenzani la eGoli
Ngiyogida esipaneni sakhe.
uyogida.
Eh.
Futhi ukugida-ke futhi esifanele. Ukugida kanjani? He would say that he would go and
Sinengoma.
he would dance, he would traditionally dance at his place of work. Ukugida at his place of work.
Yes, but when he went to Johannesburg, as you mentioned, what was he going to do there?
Uthi makaya-ke makeza ngapha eJoburg. Isizathu okuyisona sona sokumletha la eJoburg ukukwenzani?
Ngiyogida.
Because most of the times he would come to Joburg to come and dance, to traditionally dance.
Do you know where he danced traditionally?
Uyakwazi ukuthi ube gidela kuphi-ke indawo la bebegidela kuyo.
Futhi ingoma ibekwa noma kuphi kodwa ubegidela isipani sase-Force.
Foslo.
Isipani besigidela.
Now the celebration of the song, of the dancing, would be done anywhere. However, he would go and do the traditional dancing for the Phosphorus team. Shobanja.
And where did the Phosphorus team dance?
Ganti-ke bona-ke bebegidela kuphi la ase-Foslo. Bebevamise okanye bebegidela kuphi la base-Foslo.
Futhi ibekwa noma kuphi ingoma around eGoli.
Anywhere in the vicinity of Gauteng.
And you yourself were involved in any traditional dancing?
Wena ngabe-ke uyingxenye-ke yalowo mgido?
Bengisikhosela Rustenburg.
Yes, I was a prominent one in Rustenburg.
And what was your position regarding the traditional dancing?
Position.
Yes.
Wena-ke ububambe lukuchaza khona lapho kulowo mgido. Wena-ke.
Isikhulu.
I was their senior.
Sorry, not school. I understand you because my mother is Zulu. Kati uthi ukuthi kati umphathi wabo.
Kade ngumphathi wami.
Thank you mfowethu. Thank you.
Yes. Is it correctly interpreted to say
Yes,
that he was
yes.
the senior man?
No, English doesn't
No,
capture it.
It doesn't.
It means he was the man in charge.
He was the man in charge.
That's it.
Indeed, my lord.
I'm not giving evidence, please. People mustn't accuse me of giving evidence. Just saying the interpretation
As the court.
is not apt.
Because this is nimzuleke uthi bekuyisikhulu ngamanye amazwi.
When he went to work at Impala Mine, do you know where he was staying?
Wahamba uyosebenza khona phana-ke Impala kule mine yase-Impala. Uyazi-ke bekehlala kuphi?
Yebo. Number
Yeah.
8.
Yes, I know where he was staying at number 8.
Yes, number 8 what?
Number 8 kuphi i-address emphelele?
ngaze kusenumber 8 nje emkhokhweni yakho.
I know that it is number 8 in that informal settlement or where the shacks are.
Yes. Yes, you may continue as to what happened during the lockdown.
Beka-ke kwenzakalani ngekhathi kune-lockdown.
Futhi ngithe ngibuye ekhaya ngathola umbikelwa ushuthi ukuthi kade kufuna uNtanzi.
Now, when I came back from home, I received a report that Ntanzi had phone called.
That's hearsay, my lord.
As a court case, you received a report, and what did you do as a result of that report?
Uthi uthole lo mbiko-ke wasewenza njani-ke wena? Ngaphandle kokuthi usibandani wathi kanje waqhubeka-ke wena wenzani?
Ngathula ngahlala. Ngathi uthini? Wathi okay. Futhi emveni kwalokho wathi ekuseni wafona yena uNtanzi wathi uzovela ecourt.
Now, that was confirmed indeed. And then in the morning, Ntanzi phone called and he said that he was going to appear in court. Ntanzi himself phone called and he said that he was going to appear in court.
Yes.
Okay.
Wathi ucela ukuthi ngizombona lapha ecourt. Ngathi okay akulungile mfana ngizokubona.
He then said that I should come and see him at court. I said, it's okay, my lad. I will come. I will come to the court and see you.
Did he say where he was appearing?
Washo ukuthi-ke uzovelela kwephi inkantolo?
Yebo washo ukuthi uzovelela ecourt yasehlabane lengaphansi kwasephukeni.
Kukweni.
Engaphansi kwasephukeni ehlabane.
Okay. He then said that he was going to appear in the Tlhabane court in the region or in the district of Bukeni.
Yes.
Ngihamba ngawufika khona futhi sangabonana mangifika khona.
I then proceeded to that place, and upon my arrival there, we didn't see each other.
Which place did you proceed to?
Uye waya kwephi indawo-ke ma uya khona? Uye kuphi?
Khona la ehlabane. Futhi sagijana kancane.
I went to Tlhabane and then we missed each other. We just slightly missed each other.
Where in Tlhabane did you go to?
Kuphi eHlabane kahle kahle?
Ihlabane ngasephukeni, ngaphansi kwasephukeni. YaRustenburg.
Kweyiphi indawo? Uyohlangana kuphi? Kweyiphi indawo?
Sohlangana ecourt.
Ecourt.
Yes. Futhi sagijana kancane la.
We slightly missed each other because we were to meet at that court in Tlhabane, which is in the district or the region of Bukeni. So we missed each other.
Yes.
Sithema sigijana ngajika ngathi sengibuyele emuva.
After we had missed each other, I then told myself that I should go back.
Ngithe mase ngibuyele emuva sengiphezulu edrobheni. Ngase aphinda wafona. Wathi mana lapha.
When I went back and I was there in the vicinity of Absa, inside of the town, that is at the CBD of that town, he then phone called and he said that, wait right there.
So who called?
Ubani wafona, wathume khona lapho.
Wafona yena.
It was Ntanzi himself that phone called.
Sorry, he phoned and said what?
Wafona wathini?
Wathi angime lapha edrobheni. Sofonela sidibane khona la edrobheni.
He said that I should wait right there in town. We will meet in town.
So then, which town are you referring to?
Elephi idolobha? Rustenburg.
Yes.
Ungaqhubeka.
Saye sahlangana khona ngibuza ukuthi ungakuphi. Wathi ungase-Absa. Wathi okay kulungile ngiyazake la.
We had to meet, myself and him, and I asked him where exactly was he. He said he is in the vicinity of Absa or nearby Absa, and then I proceeded to that particular spot. Nahlangana khona.
Sahlangana.
And we met there.
Yes.
Qhubeka.
Sithema sihlangana khona ngabuza ukuthi uhamba wathi hayi ngiboshiwe boshelweni wathi
When we met, I asked him what is happening, and he says that I'm arrested. Further asked him for what.
All right. You may not disclose as to for what purpose he was arrested.
Ungakusho lokho ukuthi waboshelwana.
ebo
Now, when you met him, what was the position? Was he walking on foot, or
Muhlangana
where
naye,
was he?
isimo sakhe lesinjalo behamba ngeenyawo obekuphi mhlawumbe mawumbona nami.
mangimbona ngifice kule moto yamaphoyisa le evulwa so nevala so enamaphoyisa amabhaleti
Le evulwa ngasemuva
levulwa la
or le evulwa ngapha ngasendlini.
emasayini.
When I met him, he was inside. He had embarked inside of the police vehicle that slides open on the sides. And these were the beret police officers that he was in the company of.
Yes, you may proceed.
Maqhubeke.
Futhi ngingafika ngibingelela ngasembuza ukuthi kuhamba asiyasho ukuthi uboshiwe.
I then greeted him and asked or inquired from him, what is happening? And he said that he was arrested.
Just a minute. Now, when you were taken to him, where were you? Were you in the street, or what was the position?
Uma uyabuye ubukwena ubukhona lapha emgaqweni noma kwabani kwenzakalani awusinikeze nje isithombe esifanele
Ngifukhoqinga
buse emgaqweni noma ukuphi angishoyela usemotweni
usemotweni.
wena ukuphi nangu yena usemotweni
usemotweni. Futhi iy'tulo zakhona zime kanje zibhekene amaphoyisa ahleli la athi ngena phakathi kuyo.
Now, how that vehicle is designed inside is that it's got some seats that are facing each other, and the police were also seated there in one of the, or in some of the seats inside of that vehicle, and the police then said that I should embark the vehicle or get into the vehicle.
Yes.
Futhi mase ngingenele bese ngiyabuza ukuthi kwenze njani bese yangibika la uboshiwe.
After I'd gotten into the vehicle, I inquired what happened. That is when he responded and said that he is arrested.
Now, who was in the vehicle at the stage when you were talking to him?
Ubani obengasemotweni ngenkathi ukhuluma naye ngalesi sikhathi usukhuluma naye-ke manje ekutshela ukuthi uboshiwe kwakhona ubani ngasemotweni
Atuza kwamoto.
ngaphakathi emotweni bekhona ubani ubani abebekhona emotweni.
Bekuyimi ngomunye umfana waseSwazini.
It was myself
Nelinye iphoyisa eliphansi.
It was myself and one young man from Swaziland. Uthi igama lakhe ubani? WaseSwazini.
Wakondlela.
Surnamed Ndlela. Surnamed Ndlela. Ubani?
Bese kuba yiphoyisa la amaveni wayephansi la.
And it was also my Ben as well, who was just close to the vehicle, outside of the vehicle. Nobody.
Angibazi laba bantu.
And other the Perez police officers.
Yes, but you mentioned that some of the police officers were seated in the vehicle. What happened to them?
Uthi bakhona ke amanye amaphoyisa abehleli ngasemotweni kwenzakalani nawo.
Hayi ngaphandle ahlehla kancane amangale angena.
They actually were outside, close to the door. As the witness is trying to demonstrate with his hands, they were just standing outside here. The proximity is from where he's standing and he's showing the border of the witness box. And when they say that I should get into the vehicle, they shifted a bit so that I can, giving me an access into the vehicle.
Yes.
Okay.
Wasethi uboshiwe.
Yes. Yes, you may proceed.
Ungaqhubeka-ke.
ngathi wasithi uboshiwe ngathi uboshelweni wathi uboshelwe icala lenhla qala.
He then said to me that he was arrested and I inquired, you are arrested of what? And he said, a case that has to do with
Yes, you may not
ammunition.
put that on record. He told he was arrested, and then what happened further?
Wakutshela-ke ukuthi uboshiwe kwase kwenzakalani emva kwalokho. Emva esekukhulumile-ke lokho kwase kwenzakalani. Angisho-ke ukutshelile konke akutshele khona kwase-ke kwenzakalani emva kwalokho. Nanoma ungasho waphinde wakhuluma wathi qhubeka nje kwenzakalani.
Kwasekwenzakalani futhi ngase eyakhuluma lokho ukuthi uboshiwe ngase ngiyambuka wase vele ekhuluma yaqeda ukuthi uboshelweni.
He did explain that he was arrested and he proceeded to explain further as to why was he arrested.
Yes.
Emva kwalokho
Yes.
Uboshiwe.
Yes.
wase
Just tell us what happened. What was the discussion? What happened during the what was said?
sitsheleke ukuthi kwakhulunywa kwathiwani ngisho.
Ukuthi wakhuluma wathi uboshelweni.
To
Yes.
say that why was he arrested?
Yes.
Yes.
Except for the Rustenburg case. Any other discussion?
Ngaphandle kwale case yaseRustenburg.
Mshuthi uvele wakhuluma wangama.
He just
Oh,
continued
ukuthi-
to explain without being interjected to or perhaps without stopping. He just continued, unfolded to explain to me.
Yes.
What in
Ukhuluma uthi kimi ntanzi. Hayi uthi mboshela ukuthi ngecala lenhlamvu aphinde ngaba necala lasefoso leli lika Meyiwa sale mazi Meyiwa sisephathini eForce.
he said to me that I have been arrested pertaining the matter of the possession of the ammunition, and further that I am accused or that I am arrested further of this Meyiwa case that we had inflicted injuries on him. That is the phosphorus case. What's it?
Yeah, just a minute. Just
Sisephathini.
Oh, and that they were at the. Then he said that they were at the party.
yes.
Wathi wayehamba nabangani bakhe.
And he said that he was in the company of his friends.
Yes.
Wathi abangani bakhe ngomaphisa kodwa kasho ukuthi lo wathi ngomaphisa abangani bakhe.
He said it was Mapisa and them when he referred to his friends. Said Mapisa and them.
Eh, masithi nekulungile ndoda uboshiwe.
So that it's fine. You are arrested already.
Ngase ngikhipha u500 la kimi ephakethe ngamnika wajika wakhala wabhekana ngase ngihamba kwaba kugcinana kwami ubonana naye.
I then took out 500 rands from my pocket and I gave it to him. He took the 500 rands and then turned away from me and he started crying. And that was the last that I saw of him. Wahamba.
Wahamba
I then left.
sehlukana kanjani.
That's how we parted our ways.
And if you can perhaps just try to use the exact words that he used when he told you about this Meyiwa case. What did he say?
Uma ke ungajahelwa uma ekutshela ngaleli cala lika Meyiwa wathini wehlisa ijubane ke lapho makatshela ngaleli cala wathini
Yeah.
makatshela ngaleli cala lika Meyiwa
Wathi
sebenzisa lamazwi awasebenzisa yena makatshela ngaleli cala lika Meyiwa wathini
wathi mangitshela lokho wajika wakhala wabhekana.
makatshela ngaleli cala.
Yebo.
When he started relating to me about that matter, he turned away from me and he started crying, and looked into that direction or the opposite direction.
But what were his exact words? What did he say?
Wathini kahle kahle? Utheni nakakutshela?
Khathe ngibikele.
Ngikathe kubikela wathi.
Wathi babe sephathini.
He said they were at the party.
behamba nabangani bakhe.
and that he was in the company of his friends,
Yes.
Abomaphisa
Mapisa and them.
balimaza uMeyiwa, babulala uMeyiwa.
They inflicted injury on Meyiwa. They killed Meyiwa.
Yes. Is it over?
Yebo yikho lokho akushoyo.
That's all he said.
And when he mentioned this, did he say that freely and voluntarily?
Uma ekhuluma le, wakhuluma ngokukhululeka kwakhe ngokuy'khethela ngaphansi kwengcindezi ethize. Mumqaphela ngenkathi ekutshela lokho.
Wangitshela wakhala.
He just told me that and then he cried.
Yes. What happened thereafter?
Kwenzekani emva kwalokho-ke?
Ngakhipha u-500 wamnika asengihamba.
I took out the 500 rands and I gave it to him and I walked away.
Yes.
Futhi sehlukana kanjalo ke.
That's how we parted our ways.
Did you see him thereafter?
Emva kwalokho uke wambona futhi?
Phindanga ngambona.
I never saw him again after that.
And did you maintain any further contact with him?
Waqhubeka-ke ukuba noxhumano kuba khona phakathi kwakho naye.
Uxhumano lwethu alisekho.
We no longer have any contacts.
Thank you, my lord. That is all.
Thanks. Sorry, what's your time?